ski mask, bro.
What's your part?
No.
Oh. What's up, Trippie fam? And we back with another video, guys. Today we're jumping on Trippie Redd. Two songs. One of them is called "KRZY Train" featuring Travis Scott,
and the other one was ski mask.
Toilet
Water.
Toilet Water.
Toilet water, guys.
For those who don't know, we did two songs already. This is it's gonna be our fourth.
Guys, write down songs. We'll do them.
Exactly. Let's
The
get into
album's
this one
too
right
long,
away.
bro.
We love you incredibly. Thank you so much.
Go.
If you like this video, don't forget, give it a like. Let's go.
KRZY Train. Da-na, da-na,
Oh, wow.
da-na. Yup.
Brand new coupe, and the inside new, and the inside blue.
Yes.
Ain't no big red, but I count that blue. Might lose my cool, don't try to shoot.
No.
I know I'm the one, but I'll pull me a deuce. What will I?
Bro, it sounds like a Lil Lulu, bro.
It does sound like a little bit like Lil Lulu, bro.
It's good, bro. It bounces,
Yo, it's
bro.
really good, man. The rock, the come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Inside blue, ain't no big red, but I count that blue. Might lose my cool,
Yes.
don't try to shoot.
Bam.
I know I'm the one, but I'll pull me a deuce. What will I become if I ain't got
Man,
you?
girl, don't hit me with your
Can't say
hands,
you
bro.
done, I ain't through with you. Made to the game, yeah I do,
Yeah.
yeah I do, yeah I do, babe yeah I do, yeah I do, babe I love you, yeah I do,
Lil
babe,
Lulu,
yeah,
bro.
yeah I do, babe I love you, yeah I do, babe yeah I do,
Yeah, I do.
babe I love you, yeah I love you, babe yeah I do, yeah I do.
This is definitely
Okay, look.
a song that's gonna sound really good live, bro. Live band,
it's hype,
it's
bro.
really
Oh
good,
my
bro. Next
God,
time you hit
bro.
me, don't hit me with your hand. Hit me with the.
Don't tell me what to hit and not
Stop
hit,
touching
bro.
your ear, bro.
I'm scratching my... What are you gonna say, bro?
Yeah, I do.
My focus cause I'm married to the game. If you acting out your conscience, then I'll blow your fucking brain.
Yes.
You ready? All aboard the fucking crazy train. Press heavy, walk up in this bitch and make it rain.
Rockstar,
Hey.
rapstar, turn this to an avatar. Hunters turn you avatar. Know a crazy Leo that's gonna flip you in a leotard. Put her on a train around the ghetto just to see
Bro,
what's up.
Travis Scott, you better wake up and drop your album, bro.
We need that. We need that.
Bro,
We need it, bro.
this is fire, bro.
Crazy Leo that's gonna flip you in a leotard. Put her on a train around the ghetto just to see what's up. Took a little sip up out my cup and now I'm seeing stars. I just took a bar and I don't feel like I went to a bar. Last night and wake up in the day, I really find it dark. Me and all the bros we on one when we be going hard. You said farewell. Make you feel crazy when you by yourself. Now when I take it, ain't got no.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Babe, I love you. Yeah, I do. Babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do.
Yes!
Babe, I love you. Yeah, I do. Babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Babe, I love you. Yeah, I love you. Babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. I can't lose my focus cause I'm married to the game. If you acting out your conscience, then I'll blow your fucking brain. Are you ready? All aboard the fucking crazy train.
Yeah.
Heavy, walk up in this bitch and make it rain. Double R, outside, Billy Coop, frog eyes, take that.
Bro, he sounds like Lil Lulu, bro.
It does sound like little Uzi Vert.
Who? Put it down, put it down. 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 Put it. Don't take my no low.
That be the five guys. Cuban link, turn you blind, please don't peek, close your eyes. Switch on me in the sky, turn it.
But we did say multiple times that he's like he can mimic. Like he's good in rock, he's good in punk, he's good in this. He has that voice, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, versatile.
I heard, bro.
Niggas always talking tough, that's why they gon' all die. Say I'm a monster, something like on sci-fi. Say she need a sponsor, connect to her like Wi-Fi. This is so good, I woke up and gave her high five. Yeah, I do, babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do, babe, I love you. Yeah, I do, babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do, babe, I love you. Yeah, I do, babe, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do, babe, I love you. Yeah, I love you.
Oh.
Babe, yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I can't lose my focus cause I'm married to the game.
Hey.
You acting out your conscience, then I blow your fucking brain.
Yes.
Ready? All aboard the
Yo,
fucking
that's my favorite part.
Walk up in this bitch and make it rain.
That was my favorite part, bro.
Bro, this is good,
Holy
man.
shit,
This is a
bro.
vibe, bro.
Yeah,
this
this
is a rocky.
Bro, I gotta listen to this in the car.
It's like a rock. Okay, my hair, bro. You smacking my head, bro. Just, bro. Oh.
This in the car, bro? Jesus Christ, bro.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Bro, that bass, guys. That bass. Good song.
Very good song, bro.
Yo, 3 songs in the album, man. This is a good album so far, bro.
It's not bad, bro. I don't know, bro.
Why,
Did
people-
it get good reviews? I don't
Bro,
know. if
you
it got-
spit on my keyboard?
No,
Disgusting.
that was you, bro.
What do you mean, like, about bad reviews?
I don't know if it got bad reviews. I gotta read it, bro.
Serious?
Yeah, I don't know. I have
What
to
do you
read
guys
it,
think
bro.
of the album so far, man? Do comment down below. Suggest.
Some people said that it's growing on them.
Okay.
You know, some people know it's not.
I think the sound is good so far, man. With 3 songs.
Sounds good, bro.
So far, I'm in, man. So, guys, if there's anything you guys want us to react
Buckle
from
up
this
now,
album,
Ski
it's
Mask.
a must. I know Psycho was one of them guys that you
Elysée?
guys wanted to us to do. Yeah, because it's featuring Future.
Yeah, it's true.
Bro, you hitting me, bro?
What, bro? What?
Toilet water.
With ski mask and slow going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chopper squad, bust.
Drop.
Best.
Up in the jungle, a lion, little bitch. I've been stunting since I was a kid.
Yo, you gotta put it louder, bro. Jesus Christ.
You
bro.
have 2 hands, Costa. You have 2 hands. If you realize something,
Press
you fucking
play, bro.
Initiate. Stop.
Little bitch, I've been stunting since I was a kid. Hang with the birds, I'm flying, little bitch, and my pockets is bigger than Biggie. Niggas be nerds, lying and shit, that's why I'ma give them the 50. Treat like turds, don't say a word, these niggas is all shit. Flush, 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 flush. Gave my Brody 10, made me.
What did he say?
I love the ad-libs,
Push
bro.
or push?
I hear push, bro.
Okay, because I thought it was push the first word,
Yo,
so I
the
went
ad-libs
with
are
push.
fire.
Flush, flush,
Flush.
Gave my Brody 10, made me sick to my stomach. He gon' take it on the chin, man, he know that shit ain't nothing.
Welcome to the devil's den. Catch a homicide in public.
Close that door, you can't get in,
Let shit dying by my brothers.
Bro, that little Wayne effect on his
Bro, I
voice,
heard Lil
it's
Wayne, bro,
cool,
at one point, bro.
It's cool. It's cool.
Bitch, you know I keep it cutting.
And I see some deadly sins, boy, you envious and jealous.
Flush. We're saying flush.
Okay, flush.
Flush.
Let
Flush.
me talk to him. Flush.
Flush.
Flush. Flush. Yo. Flush.
Yo.
Flush. Flush. Shit. Flush. Up in the jungle, a lion, little bitch. I've been stunting since I was a kid. Hang with the birds, I'm flying, little bitch, and my pockets is bigger than Biggie. Niggas be nerds, lying and shit. That's why I'ma give them the 50. Treat them like turds, don't say a word. These niggas is all shitty. Flush. 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 Flush.
Flush.
Flush. Flush. Flush. Gave my Brody 10, made me sick to my stomach. He gon' take it on the chin, man. He know that shit ain't nothing. I like stop, crush, 4-leaf, look. Now he in a shit bag, soda on crush. Yo, break on like a Kit Kat. Chris, how I be talking. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Clinch, with the shovel like came out the muddy. Like you made for a crash, you a dummy. You be built like a nose, you be runny. Money flow like constipated tummy. How I feel, niggas, they be bummy. Like the song, niggas, they be crummy. Like crash, niggas, they be dummy. Kevin Hart, niggas, they be funny.
Bro, ski mask, bro.
What's your part?
No.
Oh.
But ski mask, bro. His
Yeah,
voice.
bro.
I love ski, bro.
It's you could clearly understand him right away.
Bro, ski,
know?
you better drop an album, bro.
He's funny.
Yalla, bro.
His bars are like really catchy.
Yalla, you got to wake up. You need ski.
Yo.
Yo, flush,
Yo.
flish,
Oh,
flish, 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 flish. Up in the jungle with lion, little bitch. I've been stunting since I was a kitty. Came with the birds, I'm flying, little bitch. And my pockets is bigger than Biggie. Niggas be nerds, lying and shit. That's why I'ma give them the 50. Treat them like turds, don't say a word. These niggas is all shitty. Flish, 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 flish. Gave my brody 10, made me.
Bro, if you ever dance like that in a club, bro, please, I can't be near you, bro. Don't never dance like that in a club, bro.
Bro, I wish they had a wider shot so they could see the way you're sitting right now. Just say that,
What?
bro.
What? No, stop it, stop it, stop it. Enough.
Sick to my stomach.
Dance, bro. Show them how to dance.
Bro, I can show everybody how to dance,
Show them how
bro.
to dance.
He gon' take it on the chin, man. He know that shit ain't nothing.
Look, he's trying to be seducing. Look at him, he's stupid.
Well, because now, bro, the song's done,
Bro,
bro.
yeah, because they don't want you to dance.
Dude, you gotta bounce. Feel it. Feel it.
I was
Don't-
dodging more than
Put your
fuck.
hands down. Why you doing this, bro? You gotta feel it, bro. Oh, G Herbo, bro. Ooh. But yo, guys, let us know in the comments, bro. What do you think about these two songs?
I like the first one a lot.
The first one is good.
First one was cool.
First
First one
was
was
sick,
cool.
bro.
Second one was a filler for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. The second
Yeah.
track that we did was a filler. Nothing that wowed me. But
So good, bro.
I mean,
So
it's an okay song. It's not.
the first one's sick.
First one was incredible. I like that
It's
rock
hype.
vibe, and I'm glad that Trippie's kind of going to that vibe because
Rock,
he has a good voice for that. So,
I want that singing Trippie, bro.
well, I'm sure it's in the album somewhere.
No, I think the whole album's like that.
I like it, man. I think he's you know,
very-
what's trending today is this, bro. Is this. I'd
It's
rather
true.
listen to this than Yeet. You know what I mean?
We can't discuss Yeet here, bro.
I'm just stating the fact. He's taking that same route as like a Yeet
No,
format, I
this is
think.
different, bro.
Music-wise?
No, this is different than Yeet, bro.
I'm not talking about the voice. I'm talking about the music.
No. It's
Has
different,
digital, has distortion, has a bunch of weird sounds, has some instruments, which is cool. This is nice.
bro. It's true. I don't know. I wouldn't. I don't know. I don't think so. I would place it in the same Yeet.
Comment down below. Maybe we're wrong. Maybe I'm right. I don't know. But this is really definitely a better sound than what's out there right now. So that's my point.
But yo, guys, let us know in the comments.
We love you incredibly.
What else?
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. That's how we know we do more Trippie. And if you guys want us to continue, react
Let us
which
know.
ones, and we'll check it out. We love
But
you
yo,
incredibly.
guys, if you're new to this
Channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment the whole package. But the JK Bros gotta go. See you on the next video.